Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with 1Skimask again. 1Skimask, big up yourself. With a song called Yeah. That is the song. Yeah. 4 times I say it. We're gonna jump in on here where 1Skimask have to say, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, do it. So, let's go.
Hey, Falcon, what's poppin', bro?
Don't fuck with it and me.
Darkness.
Don't fuck with it and me.
Darkness, my G.
Yeah, the pussy them, but me not see them more while. Cut above the rest of me's a different profile. And me now fi say 40, good at 39. I put my bitch pan a wall because the money pan the line.
Talented youth. Talented. Voldemort, big up. 1Skimask, big up.
Don't fuck with it and me.
Talent.
Don't fuck with it and me.
Yeah,
the pussy them, but me not see them more while. Cut above the rest of me's a different profile. And me now fi say 40, good at 39. I put my bitch pan a wall because the money pan the line.
confidence a grow. The confidence a grow in the music business, bro. Your first one was a banger. Yeah. Now if I say 40, we just, left it at 39, brother. I just this up.
Yeah, the pussy them, but me not see them more while. Cut above the rest of me's a different profile. And me now fi say 40, good at 39. I put my bitch pan a wall because the money pan the line. Yeah. Man a fire. Yeah. Then now wire. Nah chop a dollar pussy wall no a liar. Master the game and take a early retire.
Master the game and take a early retire. I just step in, fuck shit up and just step out back. Cause I can. Master the game and take a early retirement. Yeah. The man say, I'm listening what. I put my bitch on a wall, brother. Cause I'm money me a pray. You see me? Yo.
Nah chop a dollar pussy wall no a liar.
Lie.
Master the game and take a early retire. Yeah. Yo can tire. Yeah. Me need a buyer for the house on the hill. Me need a real toughy higher. Not afraid of witchcraft or evil vampire. Hey Falcon, from me pen to man the video. Know the savages. Make a quick meal a day, dog. You know the damage big.
What's poppin', bro?
This bad. Yeah, this bad, Valdo. This bad, my G.
Don't fuck with it and me. Yeah, the pussy them, but me not see them more while. Cut above the rest of me's a different profile. And me now fi say 40, good at 39. I put my bitch pan a wall because the money pan the line. Yeah. Man a fire. Yeah. Then now wire. Nah chop a dollar pussy wall no a liar. Master the game and take a early retire. Yeah. Yo can tire. Yeah. Me need a buyer for the house on the hill. Me need a real toughy higher. Not afraid of witchcraft or evil vampire. Hey Falcon, from me pen to man the video. Know the savages. Make a quick meal a day, dog. You know the damage big.
Yo, let me just say this. The man say, him not change him clothes. 1Skimask, him not change him clothes. Oh, you do it. Skimask, how you do it? How you do it, bro?
From me pen to man the video. Know the savages. Make a quick meal a day, dog. You know the damage big. I flip cash stack that time and the families. The weight of it heavy. I how me carry it. Boss move, give me Hannah. Scare no face, no Montana. Right.
Yo, for this being Valdo third single, because him drop on with Dina when I react to it. I'm gonna react to that one after this. But for this being Valdo's third single, as 1Skimask, sorry, I keep mixing you up. But yeah, you're the same person, but yeah. For this being Valdo's third single, the clarity of what I say, you can hear everything, dog. Me not have to stop and I repeat nothing what I say, brother, cause you can hear everything what the man say. Yo.
A day, dog, you know the damage big. I flip cash stack that time and the families. The weight of it heavy. I how me carry it. Boss move, give me Hannah. Scare no face, no Montana. Rise up the black bomber. We catch it.
Boss move, give me my Hannah. Scare no face. Tony Montana. You know, Scarface, Tony Montana.
Smooth, give me Hannah. Scare no face, no Montana. Rise up the black bomber. We catch a pussy flat foot and him no stop stammer. Dealer checkers with the life, me a the dealer. A big Ben skate off and never fielder. A full till press gas pan the meter. Me can't take it fakeness a who realer. Had done in a me prime, me fuck all my teacher. A whore in take it fakeness a who realer. Had done in a me prime, me fuck all my teacher. A whoring girl daddy always a preacher. And anything where y'all look for them seat ya.
A whoring girl daddy always a preacher. I don't want to agree, but I agree. Yo, you know why? You know why? Some of them girls, yeah, will get cooped up. Because them father preach and I try to bring them to the church life and them thing, them cooped up. Them coop them up, them put a shield around them from them young. So the least little chance them get for boss man. Boss man. Boss way sick man. Kite style. Boss yeah.
Dealer, a big Ben skate off and never fielder. A full till press gas pan the meter. Me can't take it fakeness a who realer. Had done in a me prime, me fuck all my teacher. A whoring girl daddy always a preacher. And anything where y'all look for them seat ya. You never know hard life till you reach you. And don't make your enemies them deceive you. Yeah. Man a fire. Yeah. Then now wire. Nah chop a dollar pussy wall no a liar. Master the game and take a herd retire. Yeah. Yo can tire. Yeah. Me need a buyer for the house on the hill. Me need a real toughy higher. Not afraid of witchcraft or evil vampire. Hey Falcon. Me love bad bitch. Dark shade ripped jeans and me Stan Smith.
I love bad bitch. Dark shades ripped jeans and me Stan Smith. Swag. Yeah.
Me love bad bitch. Dark shade ripped jeans and me Stan Smith. Toxic, you fuck me love the antics. Psychopath, what me love the madness. Yeah. Kill the game, just call me John Wick. I suck Nina, something me no plan this.
Yo, man, say him kill the game, just call him John Wick, brother. Just call him John Wick. Everything that when him tap in. Everything that when him tap in, brother.
Yeah. Kill the game, just call me John Wick. I suck Nina, something me no plan this. The money and the fame I must say God give. So she hate my lifestyle, she can't stand this. Yeah. Take a picture for the gram, you know it candid. A big crook, big thief, man, a bandit. Oh, me richer so me can't understand this. Dance ship and badness only brings sadness.
Oh, me richer so me can't understand this. Dance ship and badness only brings sadness.
Yeah. Take a picture for the gram, you know it candid. A big crook, big thief, man, a bandit. Oh, me richer so me can't understand this. Dance ship and badness only brings sadness. So don't fuck with it and me. Watch it up. Don't fuck with it and me.
Yeah.
Nah chop a dollar pussy wall no a liar.
Buckler. Boss, I take it seriously. Yo, big up yourself, me G. Yo, the G I take it serious. I not joke serious, the man I take it, brother. Yo, this youth, he's talented. In delivery, I don't know if he was doing his research on the music or just a natural thing, bro. The man clarity, you can hear everything when I must say. The beat, the rhythm choice is bad, brother. Yo, him writing skills is just up, dog. Like, no joke, bro. This youth. Yeah. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 can definitely chip off piece of dancehall for himself, brother. Like, no joke. Him bad. And not because him started as a comedian. Me no want to take that side too and bring it on the 1Skimask side. Even though I call him Valdo more time, but you don't know. It's that's easily said than done. But don't underestimate this youth, dog. This youth sick. Him sick and him serious about him craft. You can see. You see me? One thing about me do. One to the clothes change. We say, not change the clothes, bro. It's the image. I don't see image, a darkness. Yeah, man, a darkness. If it a work for you, bro, don't change it, yeah, man. Yo, anyway, guys, if you are wondering what's all this in the video, I do stream on TikTok a lot. I drive trucks, American Truck Simulator. So if you want to join the fun, I'm gonna leave a link to my TikTok below in the description. So make sure you check it out and follow me over there and watch the daily live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday lives. You understand? So yeah. So I'm gonna leave down that still. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Big up.